Hey, what's up, Shane? Man, you just killed it, man. Good show, man.
Thank you.
Hey, how you enjoying San Diego?
San Diego was good other than y'all rain and schizophrenic weather. But it was great. I mean, so far the crowd's been good. I got to see some breasts from an arrow shot. And so you don't get that often. So it was a good crowd.
How long you been doing comedy?
I've been doing comedy, it'll be 20 years. 20 years I've been doing it. And the crowds have been good to me. I just lately have been really hitting my stride because I'm not giving a damn what people think as much. I'm less going for it. So.
Yeah, that's real good, man. You put on a good show, man. You don't even look your age. I didn't know you were 51. Like
Yeah, I'm old, man. And listen, young man. Now I can say that to people. Listen, young man. But yeah, man, I just turned that. I turned 51, so right now I'm, just taking it in a little bit more, appreciating it more. So it's good.
Who's your inspiration?
Comic named Bill Hicks. Comic Robin Williams. Robin Williams to me is out of his mind, and I like that energy. There's a bunch of comics, but I'd say those are two. Dick Gregory, Paul Mooney. Yeah, those are the ones that made it, make it go down. That one.
Okay, if you want people to find you or look you up online, where will they find you at?
You can find me on Pornhub.com. Yeah, baby. No, you look under Take Your Panties Off. No, if you, no, that's not real. I'm sorry. It's, IamShang.com, and my Twitter is Comedian Shang. So if you get a chance, check out my website. There you go.
Alright, good show. Once again, man, when are you coming back to San Diego?
I'll find out after the second show if I do good. If I don't do good, I probably will have to do Escondido. So that'll be it.
Just keep me posted,
I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hey! See that, baby?
I don't know how to stop it. That's it?
I know, it's old.